What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the invalid destination address on your owner's smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. And after doing this the issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on apps option again, and then scroll down and open the messages app. Now go to the storage of messages app, and from here clear the cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and then the cache memory will be cleared. And after doing this, the invalid destination address issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end, and here click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on reset. Now click on reset network settings, and then again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, but it will not delete anything from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the invalid destination address issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address on your owner's smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.